While this was exciting, I wasn't expecting the moment to follow. A moment in which we get to see and witness a very special moment of parenting in nature. The way family is meant to be, and the love a parent gives towards those they have the responsibility of caring for. While it took a few moments for the chick to accept this protection, eventually, the moment came. So yesterday I got word from my dad that he had been kind of watching a killdeer nest at the place where he works out in some farm fields. He works with the USDA, Department of Agriculture, and he goes out in the farm fields sometimes, and he had been kind of watching this nest that this killdeer had laid some eggs in recently. And he gave me the call yesterday, late morning, that that the chicks had just hatched, and that he had seen one of the chicks. So I'm going out there this morning really hoping that I can find some of the other killdeer chicks with him. And yeah, we'll just have to see if they're there still. Hopefully they leave very quickly off the nest, so hopefully they'll stay here one more morning and see if we get some nice beautiful sunrise shots of them this morning. Hey guys, so we got out here. My dad showed me where the farm field is, where the nest is, that the killdeer is at, and there's still an egg or two on the nest, so I'm trying not to disturb her too much, but pretty dang cool. I haven't been able to find any of the hatched chicks yet, so I'm looking for those. I'm gonna be on the lookout for that today, and see if we can find some. Little did I know that the night prior, a new killdeer chick had just hatched, leaving 2 running out in the fields, 1 newly hatched chick in the nest, and 1 egg. But as the morning sun rose, little did I know I was about to witness a newly hatched killdeer chick take its very first steps into the world. This is incredible. The chick just decided to come out from the mom. The chick's walking about right now, and I don't know, just stretching its legs. It's really cool. That was just incredible to see. Such a cute little tiny killdeer chick, and that's really cool. That's exciting. Oh, it's just so precious watching life come out like that. The little chick came out just for literally probably 45 seconds, 1 minute right now, and just decided to, I don't know why, but just stretch its legs, look around a little bit, and yeah, really cool. I'm really hoping maybe it'll do that again, so I'll wait around a little while longer and see if we can do that before the light gets really harsh. But beautiful. What a cool moment to witness.
As the hour passed further and a few other birds were seen foraging around, there was a moment where something else in the distance caught the mother's attention. Whether that was the call of her mate or the call of her previously hatched chicks, she was suddenly called off the nest, which left me a moment to be able to photograph this newly hatched chick without disturbing her off the nest. And what a moment it was. However, with the mother flushing off the nest, it allowed me the opportunity to locate and find the few days old chicks that had previously hatched. So I took the opportunity to set up near an open field they were running around in, and I was able to capture outstanding moments of these killdeer chicks running around. While this was exciting, I wasn't expecting the moment to follow. A moment in which we get to see and witness a very special moment of parenting in nature, the way family is meant to be, and the love a parent gives towards those they have the responsibility of caring for. While it took a few moments for the chick to accept this protection, eventually, the moment came. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button below to see more content like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next wildlife photography adventure.